the government say that throw the garbage in the street, but the many people are not throw the garbage in the street.
In my opinion, the factories man, the factories was should make the eco-friendly product and eco-friendly polythene.
And if we will talk about the travelers, like when they are in the train, so they are taking something like they are taking a cold drink, so they throw the bottles outside, and at the station there are many of the animals like cow and dogs, we can find it, and when they throw something, so there are the smell, so the dogs get that smell and they start eating that and they die.
And as we learned that we should correct the eco-friendly crackers, but in the crackers also there is the plastic. Most of the time they are made by the cardboard, but there has the plastic to print them.
And by the plastic factory, many person get job.
If we ban the plastic, there are so many products used at the place of plastic. From there, people can get job.
Like
We use other product at the place of plastic. People get job from there.
but the plastic, if we use paper, so paper harm tree and person also cut tree. This is not good. But by plastic, we not interfere in environment, and we can make plastic gone.
And in the factory there is a bad water which are going on the drains, and after that that is going on the river, so this is a bad. By that there is a more temples so Gujarna, which water suffer from the out of the river, and so that water person touch, and by that they can take the disease.
And as he said that suppose if we will ban the plastic, so if we will ban the plastic, so there would be a new thing that will increase the pollution, like as we will talk about the factories, they also gives us more pollution than the plastic, like they pollute, so the pollute the air, and that gives harm to us and to our environment.
During the many industries, they throw waste into the river. Then our river are so dirty and so smelling.
And those who said use metal beside the plastic, I want to say to them that metal is more expensive than the plastic for them, and metal is very less in amount.
If you will see nowadays, many people have diseases because which water and air they are taking, it is not good because of plastic.
No, the plastic is not not important for the pollution. Everything causes the pollution. If we burn anything, if we burn the wood, if we burn any ending item of thing, it causes the pollution also. And if we talk about the car vehicle pollution, it is more harmful than the pollution.
But plastic is one of them.
And we are also one of them.
Yes, we are also.
If we will not be, so the plastic and any kind of pollution would not be here.
We should awareness to our earth shape, and we should take the many things to friendly earth. It's
Actually, these things like plastic and this technology, these were invented by the scientists. So we cannot stop this because we don't have the right to stop, because these were started by the government. So government don't wanna stop it because there are not the new things like metals. We don't have the new things to replace at the place of plastic.
And the good side of the plastic is that it is recyclable, and by the plastic, we can add the plastic on that thing what we are burning, by which we can make a good thing which cannot harm to others. And the plastic is the luxurious thing, one of them which give the comfort to the peoples.
Many product is made by plastic and attractive product and look like other product. Your person is easily buy plastic product is useful product daily life. Many product is chair and children toy is look like compared than other product.
And if at the place of plastic there would be the metal and silver, these things would be, so the rate of the thing that is 5 rupees, so the rate of that would be 100 rupees. And in our India there the pupils are more are more poor, and they don't have the money to buy the product of 5 rupees, so how can they buy a product of 100 rupees?
Many of the people take the something in the market, and the shopkeeper give him the anything from it, binding the polythene, and he take and throw the polythene.
And the research is going on that the research is going on by the scientists on plastic, that when the plastic cover whole earth, then how to crush the plastic, how to remove the plastic from the earth.
But if we cannot remove the plastic, because as I have talked that plastic is in all of the places like cars, trains, and bottles we can found, and many things we can found. So if we will ban the plastic in the cars, so we cannot ban the plastic all of the place.
I talk about the ocean. The ocean animal also died because of the people. Because people throw the garbage in ocean and animals are eat and killed.
There is not the mistake of plastic, there is the mistake of persons, because plastic is a non-living thing and we are living persons, and whatever we will do with the non-living things, so that will not stop us. And if we wanna secure the animals of ocean, so we can throw the plastic in the garbage.
According to me, the government make the rule don't use the polythene and plastic things.
And when the person doesn't use the plastic, then automatically the plastic should ban.
Plastic should be banned is not the solution of that. So we should give the product that can recycle to the recycling, and those products that cannot be recycled, we can throw only that type of product.
More than the plastic, people are dying by taking liquor and smoking. So firstly we should ban the smoking and liquor.
During the plastic, our environment are so dirty, and so many of the diseases during the plastic.
He said right point, like in the smoking, in the cigarettes and the liquor, there is the picture that the written as it is harmful, by which you get the cancer, you get the disease, and you will die. But on the plastic there is nothing, and it is by the government, it is allowed to anyone. If the smoking and liquor is allowed for anyone, then why not polythene?
But there is one thing, by using plastic cover more area. Like we throw the garbage in the garbage box, and garbage box goes somewhere, and there is a collection of garbage. So they cover lot of area.
Plastic also affect our soil because then we burn plastic where in plastic where many chemicals will come and they will affect our soil.
So we can live like a old person live. They also live without the plastic. Sir. But if you talk about the ancient person, they don't have the plastic, but they also don't have the mobile phone and the cars. And nowadays people, they are very lazy. They are not active like ancient people. If we have no cars, motor cars, so we can also run by our foot. But it will take a lots of time. That's why the scientists make the cars and these airplanes. And if we will talk about the technology like electricity and mobile phones, if it would not be in this time, so many of the pupils they would be dying. They all person they also live, sir, without plastic things and without mobile, sir.
But this is a depend on time. Now situation every person use plastic, every person use car, so we can't live in that situation.
And same is also in the plastic.
And by the plastic, there are many disasters has come. Like when the plastic is stuck on the pipe, then the pipe of the dam, then the water will overflow, and that's why the flood will come. The disaster come.
Many of the people don't care about our earth. That's why he is becoming make the thing, and again he harm to the earth.
If we talk about the religious persons who they don't know that plastic is a recycled things and they throw the plastic anywhere, but we are know about the plastic is a recycled thing, so we should understand them.
We know that what's the bad effect of plastic, but we also throw like the pleasures.
Because village person are the uneducated, that's why you cannot understand what is going on and what we can use by the
The
plastic.
rich people are educated, but still they are throwing the plastic and they are in garbage also.
And they are packing. There is no difference in the farm villagers and educated person.
It is 21st
During the plastic, our earth are so big, and so they don't make the more crops. During this,
Plastic is not the one thing by that the animals are dying. Drug testing is also here by the animals are dying, and accidents also are being done by the liquor, because in the night the people take liquor and they drive the car and they accident with many of the animals. And a story with in my area there, a person he was taking liquor, and when he was coming to his home and he was driving the bike, and he meet with an accident with a cow, and by it the cow also damaged and he also.
We all know that plastic is more effective, but still then we are also use plastic because we need that.
In our country, there are many industries also making plastic products, but they are not trying to make any industry like they recycle the plastic polythene.
If they can recycle, but as we have talked that when a garbage goes to another place, so there a collection of garbage, but the scientist can know that we can recycle it, but why don't they recycle that garbage, that polythene?
And the medicines also come in the plastic.
And if they will recycle that, so there would not be so pollution, and they will not get more area.
Many of the people are depend on the polythene because it is easily to take it and carry it. If we are at a home and went to the market, that we should take the leather bag and we should take the step to protect our earth.
And if we will talk about the waterproof things like the bags, sky bags, there's the waterproof. So the waterproof things there, the plastic is also available in that.
As he said that educated person they don't throw the garbage in a dustbin. If we will start throw the garbage in dustbin, so our generation will throw the garbage in dustbin.
But we use the room and buy we can keep in our freezer, so it is better. And he talks that if we will throw the garbage, so all will start throwing the garbage. It cannot be because all don't have the same mindset. And some of the people they have a good mindset. Some of the people they have bad mindset. Some of the people they think about their earth, but some of the things about there.
But we can make rules like abroad. In abroad, we can't throw garbage anywhere.
That's why the government made the rule to protect our earth and awareness the protection of earth.
Why plastic are also there is also a fact because then we buy plastic for make new things, then the smoke that come that hold our earth isn't.
The ozone layer is replaced because of the gases that we use in the refrigerator like CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. It is more affected the ozone layer, not the plastic pollution.
Many of the people and students don't think about the protection of our earth. They are only thinking about earning money and facility of the people.
Every person know we should not throw the garbage, but even then he throwing the garbage in the outside. So persons are responsible for us by that we can take anything like this is.
We cannot ban plastic fully, but we can use it less.
Yeah, it happened, but the people don't want to use less plastic. They just if they want to carry anything, they use plastic. If they want to sell anything, they use plastic.
Some of the people, as we have talked that we should have a cotton bag when we are going to buy something. All of the people don't want to take cotton bag with them because they have ego. Like they feel dignity when they get that cotton bag, and they think that if I'll meet with my friend, so what will they say about me? That's why they don't use the cotton bag.
And the cotton bag does not carry that much pressure that the plastic compared to the plastic bags.
People don't have ego because all the people are using the cotton bags, so why should have the same to take the cotton bag in markets?
Suppose if we have some vegetable in our cotton bag, and the cotton bag has been there, so what will we do at that time? We cannot demand a new cotton bag with the peoples. But if we will talk about the polythene, if a polythene has been there, so we can demand a polythene with any of the shop, and we will get that.
Many of the people want to make his house decorate. That's why he bought the many things by made the plastic and the polythene.
we don't ban plastic properly because it's all needs, but it's depend on us how to use the polythenes.